Okay, next problem from variation of parameters. Okay, so d square plus a square into y is equal to tan ax. Okay, we have to find the solution of this differential equation by using variation of parameters. That is our question. Okay, so first of all, write the auxiliary equation. Here d square plus a square, that means the auxiliary equation can be written as m square plus a square is equal to 0. Instead of d square, we take m square. Okay. Now we have to find the values of m. M square is equal to transposing a square to right side become minus. Therefore, m is equal to plus or minus square root of minus a square, and this can be written as plus or minus under root a square means a, and square root of minus means we can write it as I. Okay, I means square root of minus 1. Therefore, we have the roots like this. M is equal to plus or minus ai. Both are imaginary roots, purely imaginary roots. So for purely imaginary roots, the complementary function can be written as like this: y is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Okay, so this is the complementary function. So let us take the general solution of this differential equation is like this. Let y is equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax is the solution of given differential equation. So we have to assume the solution of this equation is like this: a cos ax plus b sin ax. Okay, where a and b are the functions of x, we have to find that values. Okay, so to find the values of a and b, we have to choose three values like this. U is equal to this cos ax can be taken as u. U means cos ax, v means sin ax. Next r means the term on the right side of the given differential equation, tan ax. Okay, so we take these values as u, v, r. Okay, now to find the values of a and b, we need this value u dv by dx minus v du by dx. Okay, so we have to find the value, we have to find this value u dv by dx. What is u here? Cos ax into dv by dx means we have to differentiate v with respect to x. So what is the derivative of sin ax? Derivative of sin ax is nothing but a cos ax. Okay, because x have the coefficient, so we have to write like that. Okay, minus v. What is v here? Sin ax into du by dx. So we have to differentiate u with respect to x. So what is the derivative of cos ax? So derivative of cos means we get minus sin. Here x having the coefficient, so we get like minus a sin ax. Okay, so take a as common from these two terms. Here a is there and here also a is there. Take a as common from these two terms. We have cos ax into cos ax, cos square ax, and here minus into minus plus sin ax into sin ax, sin square ax, and it is in the form cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that it is always equal to 1. Okay, so fundamental formula from trigonometry. Therefore, we got the value u dv by dx minus v du by dx as a into 1 means a. Okay. Now, with the help of this value, we have to find the values of a and b. Let us see the continuation. Okay, continuation. Next, we have to find the values of a and b. The formula to find the value of a is like this: minus integral vr dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx plus integration constant c1. Okay, it is the formula to find the value of a. Now substitute the values. Minus integral v means sin ax into r means tan ax dx, and what is the value of u dv by dx minus v du by dx? It is nothing but a. Okay, so transposing to left side, minus 1 by a sin ax become sin ax only. Tan ax can be written as sin ax by cos ax dx plus c1 integration constant. Okay, and this can be expressed as minus 1 by a integral sin into sin, sin square, and sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square ax by cos ax dx plus c1. Okay, let us see continuation. Okay, continuation. Minus 1 by a integral, take bracket, 1 by cos ax. 1 by cos ax means secant ax. It become 1 by cos ax means secant ax dx minus integral cos square ax by cos ax. So 1 cos ax will be cancelled and one more cos ax is there. Cos ax dx bracket closed plus integration constant c1, that is equal to minus 1 by a, take whole bracket. What is the formula for integral secant ax dx? The formula is log mod secant ax plus tan ax by a, because x have the coefficient. Okay, in integration we can write the coefficient of x in the denominator. We have to write the. Okay, so it is equal to log mod secant ax plus tan ax modulus closed by a. It is the formula for integral secant ax, and minus integral cos ax dx means, so it is sin ax by a. Okay, bracket closed plus c1. Now take a outside, it become like this: minus 1 by a square bracket log mod secant ax plus tan ax modulus closed minus sin ax bracket closed plus c1. So finally this is the value of a. Okay, so similarly we can find the value of b also. The formula to find the value of b is like this: integral u r dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. Okay, plus integration constant c2 for b. Okay, so let us see continuation. Continuation. Substitute the values of u r and u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U means cos ax, r means tan ax, by u dv by dx minus v du by dx means it is equal to a dx plus c2. Okay, so take 1 by a outside, it is independent of the variable x. Cos ax, tan ax means sin ax by cos ax. Dx plus integration constant c2. Cancel the like terms in numerator and denominator. Cos ax, here it is numerator and here it is denominator. So that is equal to 1 by a integral sin ax dx. What is the formula? Minus cos ax by a, okay, plus c2. So finally the value of b is like this, minus cos ax by a into a means a square plus c2. Now we have to substitute these two values in our solution. What is our solution? Since y is equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax, this equation treated as solution of our equation. Now substitute the values of a and b here, we get the final solution. Okay, let us see that. Okay, substitute the values of a and b, we get like this. So y is equal to a means minus 1 by a square whole bracket log modulus of secant ax plus tan ax modulus closed minus sin ax bracket closed plus c1. So totally this is the value of a, and a is multiplied by cos ax. This one is multiplied by cos ax plus b. B means minus cos ax by a square plus c2 minus cos ax by a square plus c2. This is the value of b and it is multiplied by sin ax. Okay, so let us simplify this. So cos ax into this first term, so y is equal to minus 1 by a square cos ax into log modulus of secant ax plus tan ax, okay, minus here this term is multiplied by minus 1 by a square, minus 1 by a square into minus, minus into minus plus 1 by a square sin ax into cos ax, okay, plus c1 cos ax, and here minus cos ax by a square into sin ax minus cos ax into sin ax by a square plus c2 into sin ax. Okay, so let us simplify this. Here these two are same and having different signs. Sin ax cos ax, sin ax cos ax by a square by a square. Here this is plus and this is minus. So both are cancelled each other. So finally the general solution is like this. Okay, minus 1 by a square cos ax log modulus of secant ax plus tan ax plus c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Okay, so finally this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, thank you.